Okay, welcome to this too short video that is put it between the compute, the load balancer and the VCN part. As you can see in my previous video, I have just bought a certificate, so now I want to add that certificate to a service in OCI. So this is part of the security services, so I need to go to the identity and security menu, and I'm gonna click on the certificates. In here, yeah, I did previous tests with the certificates, so what I need to do at this point, I need to create a new certificate, okay? So from there, yeah, from the main page, I can go directly. I can click create the certificate. I can select directly imported. Yeah, these ones are internal certificates. So let's name it OCI.inc. Yeah, the main certificate that I have in here. I'll press next. Okay, I will press next again. And now I need to start adding things that were downloaded from this, yeah, from the certificate provider. Okay, so in here I clicked get the SSL. I got a zip file. In here, next step, I need to select confirm installation. So I have the file in zip format downloaded. Yeah, so it was a zip format in here. I extracted in this folder. So I'm going back to OCI. So in OCI, I will select upload the file, going to the folder where the file is extracted. I'm looking for the security certificate. Yeah, in this case. Next one, I need to specify the certificate chain. So in my case, from the same folder, I will select the CA bundle, okay, which will add the certificate, the intermediate certificate, and so on. This is the full certificate chain in there. And the last part, yeah, will be the private key that was created at the CSR request. Yeah, when I created the request to create this certificate for these pages. Okay, so now, yeah, I have all of them in here. Next step, I need to press press next, and I'll click create certificate. Yeah, so I already have another certificate with this name, so let me go back in here. OCI link, let's put it together. Doesn't matter the name, just to know in there. I'll press next again, and now create certificate again. Okay, so certificate has been successfully created. If I'm gonna click view create certificate in here, yeah, it will start showing me the data after this gonna change the color, yeah, of the certificate from brown, yeah, yellow, yeah, will go green. So at this point, yeah, I have a certificate up and running. Now, next step that I want to do, I want to go to networking. I want to go to the load balancer, yeah, that it is already up and running. So in here, yeah, I will click on the load balancer itself. So I will go now to the listener. Yeah, so at this point here, there is only one listener created that is pointed outside on port 418, so it's HTTP. But I'll create a new listener. Yeah, that will be HTTPS this time. And I have two options in here: certificate service managed service, yeah, or load balancer managed service certificate. I can go and I can add the certificate manually, but I don't want. I just did the work for next options too. I will select the certificate, yeah, that is in here. And after I did this, after I put it, let's say OCI.inc, leave it, yeah, directly. OCI Inc main, let's leave it as it is. And the backend set is the one that I have already created previously. So I'm going to create this certificate. Yeah, I will add the certificate to the application. After this everything is done properly in here, I should be able to connect to the web page using the certificate directly. So instead of running on port 80, when the second listener will appear in here, the for port 443, I will be able to go to this page, to OCI Inc. And in front of it, let me put HTTPS. Okay, and now I'm gonna work for, wait for it, I think HTTPS 2./, okay, OCI.inc, yeah. So now, as you can see, I have a certificate in front of my application, of my web application. It is the one that was given by Sectigo. So even if I change in here, you can see the certificate remains the same, but the load balancer is going in the backend to the right machines, to the right instances. So thank you for this short break and see you on the next video.